What are your views on the issue of healthcare?
To be honest, I don't know anything about healthcare, so I have no strong feelings about it anyway.
I don't really know that much about it, so I don't have a big opinion. What I do know is that we need a lot more of it, but it shouldn't come from the taxpayers.
Healthcare should be considered a basic human right. I think healthcare should be available to everyone.
How do you feel about the idea of universal healthcare, and do you think that it should be implemented in the United States?
If it can be accomplished, yeah, I'd like to see that. I think that would be great.
I mean, it's not an unknown fact that some people just can't afford to pay for their own health care, so I think potentially universal health care would be a good step in a good direction.
We should all go to universal health care just because we're one of the worst ranking nations in the world.
Universal health care would be too big of a tax strain.
There's very little that's more important than the health of the American people, but I think that there can be other ways to go about getting people health care that they need rather than just give everyone free health care.
Is the issue of healthcare going to be a big factor in who you vote for the upcoming 2008 presidential elections?
I think that's going to be one of the factors. It won't be the only factor, but it's something that I'll consider.
It will be an important factor, but it's not going to be the deciding factor.
I would have to see more about the candidates and how they feel about health care.
The healthcare issue is a very big deciding factor in who I'll be voting for.
In Milwaukee, I'm Regina Dolan for Marquette University, reporting for WISN.com.